Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Amir Joya and you're watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will tell you how you can recover your recent deleted post on your Instagram accounts. It's a very simple thing to do, but if somehow you don't know or miss out, then keep watching this full video and after that you will be easily recover your recent deleted post at your Instagram accounts. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your Instagram account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines. Now appears at the screen you can see an option called your activity. Simply tap it here. Now scroll it up and down the bottom you can see an option recently deleted. Just simply tap it here. Now appears at the screen you can see these stories. They will be permanently deleted after number of days down. After that you wouldn't be able to restore them, and down the bottom you can see a remaining days, and after these days you wouldn't be able to recover them. Now if you want to recover it, simply tap at your post and down the bottom you can see a option more. Tap it here. Now appears at the screen you can see you can delete it permanently or restore it. If you want to restore, simply tap at restore, and like this you can recover your recent deleted post at your Instagram account. Friends, after watching this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. And if you have any related question, this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.